Top 5 Best Commercial Blenders. Number 5. OmniBlend VTM 800B Blender. With a 7-year warranty, the premium-priced OmniBlend commercial blender is slated to last the long haul. The 3-horsepower motor is plenty powerful to make short work of anything you want blended. The blending container is only 50 ounces, still better than many on the market, but not in the same league as some of the top picks on our list. The pitcher is also crafted from BPA-free copolyester instead of glass. There are markings on it, though they're difficult to read. This blender performs satisfactorily. Everything was nicely blended, and the final mix was perfectly smooth. It's capable of blending soups, nut butters, sauces, ice cream, anything you'd like, and it does so quickly. While it is a very capable blender, it performs its duties without anything extra. No extra features such as heating or self-cleaning, no digital display, no noise shroud. It feels like you're paying the premium price just for the extended warranty. The looks are simply outdated, and it's probably not an appliance you'd want to leave on your counter because of this. Overall, this blender clearly sacrifices form for function, though its excellent performance still earns it a spot on this list. Pros: 7-year warranty. Great blending performance. Cons: not attractive, looks outdated. No extra features. High price. No glass blend container. Coming in number 4. Hamilton Beach Quiet Shield Professional. For some people, noise concerns are one of the most important factors when it comes to purchasing a new kitchen appliance. If quiet operation is of utmost concern to you, then the Professional Quiet Shield Blender from Hamilton Beach is worth taking a look at. At 2.0 peak horsepower, it's definitely not the most powerful blender on the market. It also doesn't have a very large blending capacity at a meager 32 ounces, not large enough if preparing for a family. However, the quiet shield cover that surrounds the blending container when in use really helps to contain the noise and reduce the noise of operation. This is great for anyone living in an apartment or sharing a space with other people. With a respectable 5-year warranty, you would expect this blender to have a long lifespan. Unfortunately, it stopped working after only a few weeks. It was quickly replaced without any headache since it is covered under warranty by Hamilton Beach, but it's still an extra hassle. Pros: quiet operation with quiet shield. 5-year warranty. Cons: only 32-ounce blending container. Short lifespan means you might need the warranty. Coming in number 3. Waring MX1000 XTX Commercial Blender. Pushing 3.5 horsepower, this commercial blender from Waring has enough power to make short work of anything you put inside of it. Be aware, if you're very conscientious about noise, the extra power this blender makes also means it creates extra noise. This model opts to ditch all the fancy pre-programmed controls and multi-button operation of other high-end blenders for a simple 2-switch design. One switch operates high, low, and off, while the other switch controls the pulse function. Crafted from BPA-free copolyester, the blending container can hold 64 ounces respectable, but certainly not class-leading. One advantage though is that the container is clearly marked on both sides for measuring. Although it's built heavy-duty for commercial toughness, Waring only offers a limited 3-year motor warranty and a 2-year warranty on parts and labor. Price-wise, this blender is towards the middle of the pack. Certainly not budget-priced, but not one of the premium-priced offerings either. Pros: very powerful 3.5 horsepower motor. Heavy-duty commercial specs. Cons: no pre-programmed controls. More power means more noise. Coming in number 2. Vitamix Quiet 1 Blender. If the excessively loud sound of your blender bothers you, then consider the Vitamix Quiet 1 Commercial Blender, our pick for premium choice. Featuring built-in vibration dampening technology, this blender has earned the name of the Quiet One. To help even more, a plastic secure sound enclosure surrounds the blending container during use, trapping the sound so it doesn't escape out into your home. The result is one of the quietest blenders available today. But don't let the lack of noise fool you, this is one powerful blender. With the motor pushing a peak 3 horsepower, this model will have no problem mixing smoothies, spreads, nut butters, and more. The polycarbonate blending container holds 48 ounces, and unlike glass, it's very strong and unlikely to break. With such a stacked feature set, it's no surprise that this blender sits at the very top of the price range. What's more surprising is the fact that the warranty only covers commercial use. Using this blender in your home voids the warranty and it won't be replaced by Vitamix. Despite the benefits, these two faults hold the Vitamix from making it into the top positions of this list. Pros: sound dampening in the motor housing, sound control enclosure, powerful 3 horsepower motor. Cons: very high price. Warranty only covers commercial use. Coming in number 1. Cleanblend 2001 Commercial Blender. If you don't want to break the bank buying a new blender, but you also don't want to sacrifice quality and reliability, then the Cleanblend Commercial Blender is worth taking a look at. With a 5-year warranty and a host of useful features, we think it's the best commercial blender for the money. The robust 3 horsepower motor can blend vegetables, fruits, and ice with ease. Unfortunately, the blade design does allow some to get trapped in the corners of the blending container and won't get fully mixed. Since it can hold up to 64 ounces, the BPA-free plastic blending container allows you to prepare large volumes of food at once. It would be nice if it were glass instead of plastic, but for the price, some sacrifices had to be made. Steel ball bearings are used in place of the plastic bearings found on most budget-priced blenders, helping the Cleanblend to have a long projected life expectancy. Another reason that it's our choice for best value blender. Pros: 5-year warranty, long lifespan, strong 3 horsepower motor, affordable price. Cons: a plastic blending container. Blade design causes some food to get trapped.